Innovative therapies have the same core manufacturing challenges, meaning scale-up and maximizing yield. And novel modalities also have more complexity. Take regulatory for ADC. This requires proof of compliance for both drug and the biologic components. And because CGTs are so specific and unique, the regulatory environment lacks standardization. And from a production perspective, there are requirements for more sophistication and customization.
As the biotech and biopharma companies look to develop and scale innovative therapies to bring them to the patients across the globe, it is important for them to partner with companies that have global manufacturing and supply chain capabilities. We have invested in expanding capacity to support manufacturing in small molecules, monoclonal antibodies, vaccines, and cell and gene therapies in 3 continents.
We can help novel modalities. Avantor is an expert in trusted production materials, amino acids, excipient, salt, solvent, and fluid handling equipment backed by rigorous QC systems to ensure stability and purity at each stage of development and production. We also assess novel production workflows to develop new products that reduce manufacturing complexity while increasing yield and speed.
At Avantor, we bring together global capabilities and local expertise to biomanufacturing and work with the customers over 180 countries across the globe. It is important for our customers to work with the partners that have deep understanding and expertise in the environment to provide them with the right solutions, which will enable them to get to the market in a faster pace.